SH Modern School, welcoming you all. Yes, so we are going to study about English grammars, another chapter that is chapter number 2, subject and predicate. So children, we are going to learn about subject and predicate. So before that, we need to learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence always talks about something which could be a person, place, animal, or thing, right? Or in other words, we can say a sentence tells us something about a noun. किसी नाउन के बारे में अगर हम किसी सेंटेंस से अगर हमें पता चलता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं सेंटेंस. So now let's come to the topic that is subject and predicate. Let's learn about the parts of a sentence. All sentences have two parts that are subject and predicate. Very good. Now we are going to discuss about subject and predicate. What is a subject? Subject क्या है? Okay, so the part of a sentence that talks about a noun is the subject of the sentence. That means जब किसी सेंटेंस में ये बताया जा रहा है, ये पता चलता है कि हम किस पर्सन के बारे में या किस नाउन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो क्या होता है सब्जेक्ट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाट इज अ प्रेडिकेट? प्रेडिकेट क्या है फिर? Predicate, the other part of the sentence that tells us about the subject, is the predicate of the sentence. That means हमें पता चल जाता है एक सेंटेंस में कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है, जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं वो होता है हमारा सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं उस पर्सन के बारे में वो हमें कौन बताता है? प्रेडिकेट. Simply when we talk about a person, that is a subject, and what we are talking about that person is a predicate. Are you getting, children? So let's clear it with some examples. Here the first example is the children are enjoying in the park. Children are enjoying in the park. So here the subject is the children because we are talking about the children. So the children is the subject of the sentence. And are enjoying in the park is telling us more about the subject. हमें subject के बारे में और बता रहे हैं. So are going enjoying in the park is the predicate. Okay children, let's take another example. Ron and Sam go to the same school. Children, here we are talking about Ron and Sam. So Ron and Sam is the subject of the sentence and go to the same school is the predicate of the sentence. Very good. Now I hope you all are understanding the difference between subject and predicate. The subject is about when we talk about a person, and what we are talking about that person is predicate. So let's understand it betterly with some examples. Now let's find the subject and the predicate in the following sentences here. Number first is Bob is a footballer. Here children, we are in this sentence, Bob is the subject of the sentence, right? And is a footballer is the predicate because we are talking about Bob and the sentence is a footballer describing Bob. So here is a footballer is the predicate. Next sentence, the little tree was covered with snow. That means हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The little tree. तो the little tree हमारा क्या हो गया? Subject. Very good. And was covered with snow. That means हम जो little tree जो हमारा subject उसे हम define कर रहे हैं, तो वो हमारा क्या हो गया? Predicate. Very good. Move on to the third example, that is my friends and I won the match. So children, my friends and I is the sentence, is the subject of the sentence, and won the match is the predicate of the sentence. Okay, are you getting? Because here we are talking about my friends and I, so they are subject, and won the match describing them, that's why it is predicate. So let's move on to the last example, that is there goes the teacher. Here children, the teacher is the subject. It is not necessarily that the subject should be in the starting. It can be in mid or even in the last. So the teacher is the subject and there goes is the predicate. Children, now I hope you all have got that what is the difference between subject and predicate. So just giving you a simple task, or you can say simple homework, and exercise for you to solve, that is, you have to pick out the subject and predicate from the following sentences. You don't need to be you don't need to cheat or don't need to ask to your parents. Okay, so here you go. Number first is dogs are popular pets. Dogs are popular pets. Okay, the second one is we studied hard for the test. We studied hard for the test. Number third, my friends and I are going for a picnic. Number fourth, every morning they jog in the park. And the last one is the grocer sells all the necessary things. Okay, children. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Bye bye.